Welcome back to Spec Dossier, where we break down the latest gadgets so you don't have to dig through endless reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the Google Pixel 10, a device that promises more than just a sleek design. It's packed with AI-powered features that could change how you interact with your phone. From the moment you pick it up, the Pixel 10 feels deliberate in its craftsmanship. The symmetrical frame isn't just for aesthetics. It gives the phone a refined elegance that stands out in a sea of glass slabs. Both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, giving you peace of mind against scratches and drops. Add to that Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, and you've got convenience that rivals even Apple's ecosystem. But while it looks and feels premium, is that enough to justify the hype? Let's move on, because the real magic starts when you power it on. The display of the Pixel 10 is a showstopper in its own right. A 6.3-inch OLED panel delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, while the 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and swiping through apps silky smooth. You'll barely notice the speed until you do, and then you can't go back. With peak brightness reaching 3000 nits, sunlight won't wash out your screen, so outdoor use is painless. Every notification, every video, every game looks sharper, brighter, and more alive than ever. But a beautiful screen is just one piece of the puzzle. What powers that display and everything else under the hood will truly determine whether the Pixel 10 stands out. Performance is where the Pixel 10 takes a more thoughtful, AI-driven approach. At its core is Google's own Tensor G5 processor, designed not for raw benchmark supremacy, but for intelligent responsiveness. Coupled with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage, it handles multitasking and heavy apps without breaking a sweat. You might notice that in pure numbers, it doesn't outpace the Galaxy S25 or iPhone 17. But benchmarks don't tell the whole story. The Pixel 10 uses AI to predict your needs, optimize battery usage, and even improve photo processing on the fly. It's a smartphone that feels like it's thinking ahead of you, which is exactly the kind of edge that could make your daily experience smoother without you even realizing it. The camera system is, unsurprisingly, one of the Pixel 10's crown jewels. Google has packed a 48MP main lens, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a 10.8MP 5x telephoto into a compact body. Low-light shots? Impressive. Zoom quality? Crisp even at 5x. But it's the AI integration that transforms the photography experience. Features like Magic Q guide your composition, while Camera Coach suggests the perfect timing and angle for more complex shots. The Ask Photo tool lets you edit images using voice or text prompts, almost like having a professional photographer in your pocket. Every picture feels smarter, sharper, and more effortless. It's not just about snapping photos. It's about making every shot the one you actually want. Software and AI aren't afterthoughts here. They're the backbone of the Pixel 10 experience. Android 16 runs clean and intuitive, but the real differentiator is Google's AI suite. Gemini Live, Camera Coach, and other smart tools make the phone feel like it's assisting you, anticipating your actions, and even simplifying tasks that normally take multiple steps. From photo edits to voice-activated commands, the Pixel 10 is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and in some cases, just a little futuristic. And with 7 years of software updates promised, this phone isn't just for today. It's built to stay relevant in ways many other devices can't match. Battery life is solid, though not groundbreaking. The Pixel 10 will easily last through a typical day of use, thanks to intelligent power management that pairs nicely with the Tensor G5. Charging is convenient with 15W Qi 2 magnetic wireless support, but don't expect the speed demons among us to be wowed. For many users, it strikes the right balance between longevity and ease of use, though those constantly on the move might wish for something faster. The battery is reliable, predictable, and paired with AI optimization, it rarely lets you down, but there's a catch if you push it hard for gaming or heavy streaming. Connectivity has also seen bold changes. In the US, Google has removed the physical SIM entirely, switching to dual eSIM support. It's a forward-looking move for a world moving digital, but early adopters might notice some patchy network performance depending on their carrier and location. For many, this won't be an issue, but it's worth keeping in mind if you travel frequently or rely on consistent connectivity. It's a gamble on the future, but one that positions the Pixel 10 as a device ahead of its time, at least in concept. Pricing and value position the Pixel 10 smartly in the market. At $799, it's not the cheapest option, but it's competitive for the features it brings. From the AI-enhanced performance to the camera and software ecosystem, it offers real-world usability that can rival pricier flagship devices. It's a phone for people who care about intelligence over raw numbers, who want a device that does more than just run apps. While some competitors may have higher benchmark scores or faster charging, the Pixel 10 delivers a cohesive experience that's hard to beat for its price. Finally, weighing the pros and cons, the Pixel 10 impresses with AI-driven features, versatile cameras, a premium design, and long-term software support. On the flip side, it lags slightly in raw performance, has modest charging speeds, and may encounter occasional network hiccups. For most users, however, the benefits outweigh the downsides. It's smart, sleek, and capable of surprising you in small but meaningful ways as you use it day to day. That's our full deep dive into the Google Pixel 10 here at Spec Dossier. If you want more in-depth reviews where we cut through the noise and uncover the tech behind the hype, hit subscribe and join us as we explore the devices shaping tomorrow, today. And trust us, with the Pixel 10, the future feels closer than ever.